And how challenging is raising the transition financing, especially given the setbacks that the road to net zero has incurred from the energy crisis and in a post-Ukraine environment?
Yeah, that's a really good question. That was a big feature at our sustainability conference last week. And there's increasingly where we see the solution is public-private partnerships, the involvement of multilateral development banks, so that there's an element of concessionary capital or risk sharing within the structure of the investment, within the structure of investment vehicles. And we're seeing those springing up. And I think that is really crucial to share some of that risk at the early stage of these technologies, such as carbon capture, such as hydrogen, which are obviously in a nascent stage.
And Sharmini, is really interesting. Earlier this week, we were speaking with Michael Sin here at the Singapore Exchange, and the SGX is playing a very proactive role in terms of insisting and really mandating sustainable standards at the listed company level. Do you expect to see more of that? And do you expect to see more exchanges in the region pushing for those mandates?
Absolutely. I mean, we've highlighted recently that there's been a doubling in ESG policy in the region, increasing amounts of climate ambition, both in target setting and in regulations on asset managers and corporates. But the regulation is only really one piece of what we think is going to catalyze this movement forward. We've got investors really looking to credentialize what is in their portfolios. And where we see a lot of investment process moving is toward the fusion of financial metrics and ESG metrics. So the regulations that you were talking about are sort of very focused on ESG reporting and fund labeling. Where we're seeing investors headed is really to look at green metrics, financial metrics such as green capex, green revenue, and really fuse them with material ESG metrics by company. And so, you know, it's about more than a glossy CSR report or more than an ESG rating.